With luxury comes unsurpassed convenience, and many times those conveniences help improve your overall driving experience. As a matter of fact, your Lincoln may be equipped with technology to help you keep your eyes on the road. Lincoln's head-up display uses DLP technology to project clear driving information low onto the windshield, so as not to be intrusive and yet still be easy to see at a glance. Like speed, distance to empty, time and temperature, incoming calls, some driver assist features, as well as navigation. One of the benefits of this technology is that it can help balance exterior brightness so the display image doesn't impede your field of vision, but is visible in many more lighting conditions, including while wearing polarized sunglasses. You'll be glad to know that you also have the option to customize the content you see as well as its location on the windshield. To turn the head-up display on, press the HUD button located on the right side of the steering wheel. You'll see an options menu appear in the instrument cluster. From the same screen, you can adjust the brightness, position, and content viewed in the head-up display. To adjust its brightness while looking at the windshield, use the toggle switch and scroll down to Brightness, then press OK. Next, using the toggle switch again, press it down to Dim or up to increase brightness. Adjusting the position of the display on the windshield is done by scrolling to HUD position and pressing OK. From here, you can raise or lower the display, shift the screen left or right, and rotate it. To adjust it vertically, scroll to vertical position and toggle up to raise it or toggle down to lower it. To shift side to side, scroll to horizontal position and toggle up to shift right or down to shift left. And to tilt, go to image rotation and use the toggle again, pressing up to rotate clockwise or down to rotate counterclockwise. If desired, you can also choose to turn off distance to empty, time, and temperature in the display. Again, under HUD content, scroll to fuel info and time and uncheck it to turn it off. When you do, the distance to empty and temperature will still appear in the cluster. Additional driver assist content such as lane keeping system or adaptive cruise control with stop and go information can also be viewed. From the HUD menu, scroll to HUD content and press the toggle switch to select it, then cruise and lane keeping. Then choose what type of information you prefer to see, either cruise control only or both cruise and lane keep, or if neither, deselect cruise and lane keep. When using the available navigation system on your Sync 3 system, a limited amount of navigation information will also be displayed in the head-up display, such as turning points and distance to destination, for example. If you don't wish to use the head-up display, you can always turn it off by using the toggle control and deselecting head-up display. Keep in mind, when the head-up display is on, some information that appears there will not be visible in the cluster. One more thing. For owners who use a toll payment device, a convenient cutout in the windshield's infrared reflective coating on each side of the rear view mirror allows for easy detection of transponder signals. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.